we had a lot of choppiness in here, back and forth, and I'm looking for Tuesday's high to be taken out. And we had this buy side liquidity pull form here. And then it finally punched through it. Created this short-term low here, but notice it didn't take out this low yet. Now, you could argue and say, what about this one here? If, this is what you need to have in your notes, okay, because there's a couple people that had this question in my tweets. I wanted this one to break down more specifically because that was the one that ran from there up into the new higher high and took out this spike over here. So that run here, I wanted to see that one taken out. I was aware of this short-term low, but I was not trying to commit to that because I felt because we were in a larger consolidation, it still might spike up in there and run 40.36 because it failed to do so on this high here. So if it would have spiked above Tuesday's high, then I would have used this low here as a shift in market structure bearish. So when it did this move here, if, this is what I'm talking about when things are algorithmic. Algorithmic theory relies a whole lot on if this occurs, then that. If this occurs, but not this, then that. So there's a lot of if-then syntax. Everything has to be weighed on decisions that are binary. So there's a series of those discussions that you have to have internally while you're watching price as a trader. This low was not taken out until here. Now, I knew before this low was taken out here that I wanted to go short. And you've seen a tweet, and I'll show it to you in my presentation tonight. But I did not want to take that short-term low here when it broke down here because I felt that this could have been just one more time where it was leading people astray like myself or anyone else that would trust that that high was formed just on that shallow little run with this move here. Because it did not take out Tuesday's high, previous day's trading high, by trading the 40.36. If it would have done that, then this short-term low was broken. Then anything in that high at 40.36 to this low, taking out that low, if there's a fair value gap in there, I would trade that and I would be content with that, riding it down to, 39.82.5, as I outlined last night.